Hello and welcome to SIBO Volatility 411. My name is Dan Deming and I'm with KKM Financial. We're looking at VIX cash right around 15.15, currently low end of the range for the year as we are seeing again this upward momentum being realized in the SPX. Positive reaction to the non-farm payrolls number this morning, maintaining this upward trajectory. So therefore, we're seeing realized volatility continuing to compress. 10-day realized volatility down to 6.5%. 30-day realized volatility down from 14% last week to 12% this week, so a 2 percentage point drop there. So we continue to see realized volatility coming in, and that's keeping this, I think, pressure in the VIX cash. Looking at the at-the-money straddle on the SPX, 11%, down 1% from last week's reading on the implied levels. So once again, that's the low end of the range for the year. And the SKEW factor is shifting out this week as the SPX continues to move higher. Those downside puts remain bid in the SPX, and therefore we're seeing the SKEW index moving out, the CBOE SKEW index moving out to 151.5 for the week. Roll market in the VIX futures, very steep. November-December roll market, $2.65 currently, unchanged today, but maintaining this very steep curve in the front 2 or 3 months. The entire futures curve shifting slightly lower today, but I do want to point out the back month futures are holding a significant premium to cash here. The April futures holding $9 of premium to cash. So again, a very steep curve moving out to next year. VVIX, measure implied volatility in VIX options, 104, which is the low end of the range for the year. So we continue to see subdued demand for VIX options. And today's options activity in the VIX, primarily in the puts this week. We're going back to the put regime. When you look at the November puts, the 17 line and the 15 line very active. And then we're looking at some December and January out-of-the-money call spreads trading, both the 30-40 call spread in both December and January, pretty active today. Next week, we have several things that could influence the vol structure. We have a couple of big data points, CPI and PPI in the middle of the week. We also have Fed speak throughout the week. And now, as we're continuing to see this upside momentum, SPX at new all-time highs, we'll see how the market handles that as we continue to move into November.